Each year, New Zealand police strive to enforce safe speed limits and reduce the number of crashes to make for safer roads. However, a large proportion of New Zealanders, all ages, fail to keep to their national speed limits, causing serious or even fatal accidents, resulting in social costs of around $3 billion per year. The likelihood of casualty crash involvement doubles for every 5 kilometers an hour above a 60 kilometer an hour posted limit, and for every 10 kilometers an hour above a 100 kilometer an hour posted limit. But if drivers decreased their speeds by 5%, it would lower injury crash rates to around 10% and fatal crashes to 20%. Symptoms of speeding include involvement in car accidents, potential injuries, receiving speeding tickets, and also medical and vehicle repair costs. Some potential causes of speeding include drink driving, plain recklessness, being late, driving when tired, and inexperience. Although there have been attempted solutions for this problem, like electronic speed detectors and road signs, none have successfully slowed drivers down to meet appropriate speed limits. We have the solution to prevent the core problem of speeding by using an automatic speed warning and adjustment system. This is a system which is programmed to identify nationwide area speed limits and provides features to prevent drivers exceeding the limits. The first step is a voice warning if the driver exceeds the speed. For example, if the driver travels at 20 kilometers over the limit of 100 kilometers per hour, the device will inform the driver of exceeding appropriate speed limits, and also warn that the chances of fatality in an accident has doubled due to this. This makes the device more effective than any other previous attempts, as having a verbal communication will inform not only the driver but also passengers in the car. If the driver fails to slow to appropriate speeds, the second part of the system will come into action, which will automatically trigger the brakes to slow the car. This makes the system more beneficial than any other like it before, as a speeding driver has no way of exceeding limits once brakes are in place. In order for this technology to be implemented and effective, it will be necessary for the system to be installed in all New Zealand road vehicles at their next warrant of fitness. This ensures all vehicles will have the technology in the next 6 months and will effectively make for safer travel on the road. This automatic speed warning and adjustment system will lower chances of injuries and fatal crashes on the New Zealand road.
Created using Powtoon.